Struggling to juggle tasks and time? Let's cut through the noise and compare Sunsama vs Motion to find your ultimate productivity weapon. First up, Sunsama, known for its structured daily planning. Step 1. Connect your existing calendars and task managers like Asana or To-Do. Step 2. Each morning, Sunsama prompts you to create a realistic daily plan by pulling in tasks from various sources. Step 3. Estimate how long each task will take. Sunsama and helps you allocate time blocks for focused work. Now, let's dive into Motion, an AI-powered powerhouse. Step 1. Input all your tasks, deadlines, and priorities. Step 2. Motion's AI automatically schedules those tasks into your calendar, optimizing around meetings and deadlines. Step 3. Motion dynamically reschedules tasks if priorities shift or new urgent work arises, saving you from manual calendar Tetris. Let's talk money. Sunsama offers a clean, straightforward subscription price. Motion, with its AI scheduling, comes in at a higher price point, but may justify the cost for busy professionals seeking automation. Usability is key. Sunsama's journal feature encourages mindful reflection. Motion provides robust reporting on your team's productivity, which aligns more with your workflow. Ultimately, Sunsama is ideal if you prefer manual control and a structured daily routine. Motion excels at automating your schedule and dynamically adapting to changing priorities. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching.